Theia was a hypothetical planet in the early solar system, approximately the size of Mars, that is central to the giant impact hypothesis for the formation of the Moon. It is believed to have collided with the early Earth about 4.5 billion years ago, with the debris from the impact coalescing to form the Moon. This collision likely resulted in a significant mixing of material between the two bodies, potentially explaining why the Earth and Moon have similar oxygen isotope signatures, and may have also delivered water to Earth. Formation and impact. Formation. Theia is thought to have formed in the inner solar system, possibly in a stable Lagrange point orbit with Earth before being perturbed by Venus or other planets, eventually leading to a collision course. Collision. A catastrophic collision occurred between Theia and the proto-Earth. Recent models suggest it may have been a head-on impact, leading to a massive merger of material rather than a glancing blow. Lunar formation. The impact ejected debris, primarily consisting of material from both Theia and Earth's mantle, into orbit. This debris quickly coalesced to form the Moon. Post-impact evidence and implications. Compositional evidence. The similar oxygen isotope composition of lunar and Earth rocks is strong evidence supporting the giant impact hypothesis, suggesting a shared origin from a common material. Large, low-shear velocity provinces, LLVPs. Some theories suggest that a portion of Theia's core may remain inside Earth, contributing to the large, unusually dense structures found deep in the lower mantle, known as LLVPs. Delivery of water. The impact is a leading theory for the delivery of a significant amount of water to Earth. It's theorized that much of this water was incorporated into the Earth's mantle during the event. Other potential effects. Theia may have also contributed other chemical components and played a role in the origin of life on Earth. What we don't know. Exact nature. The exact composition, size, and precise orbital path of Theia are still subjects of scientific research. Cause of collision. While the collision is widely accepted, the specific cause for Theia going off course is still being debated, with possibilities ranging from gravitational perturbations to a more chaotic early solar system. Details of impact. While simulations show the Moon forming relatively quickly, the full details of the event and its immediate aftermath are still being refined.